Hello, comrades. Today, when I was looking at the beautiful flowers and how they grow, I noticed a very disturbing noise. Let us investigate. Look, it's an ostrich. There's that racket again. Let's see what all this commotion is about. There we go. Here's the sauce. An old lady with her handbag, as you can see there. Mrs. Somebody, what is your name?
There's a dog at the door.
That's not a dog, that's an ostrich. Oh dearie me. Look at how he struggles to play the piano. Terrible. Just terrible. Oh dear. Oh, where's the sunlight? Oh, look. Oh, it's a wonderful tree. Oh, look at that. Here's our friend the ostrich again. Let us look at how the tree grows. Look at that. Wonderful. Ooh. It has a wound from the war. Terrible battle. Oh well, that's it for today, comrades. Goodbye.